Today we're back at the Avalanche apartment. Let's go knock on the door and ask some questions. I think the Ring doorbell is dead and nobody's home. But we can get a close-up of what's going on here.